Critical thinking in action, analyzing effective conclusions and recommendations. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting area of language learning: critical thinking and analysis. We'll specifically focus on the art of formulating conclusions and recommendations. By the end of this video, you'll be able to analyze examples of effective conclusions and recommendations, an essential skill in both academic and professional environments. Let's start with the basics. A conclusion is the final part of an argument or discussion where you summarize the key points, while a recommendation is a constructive proposal based on the discussion. Remember, a great conclusion isn't just a summary, but also a synthesis of the information presented. It should show the listener that you've understood and engaged with the topic. A recommendation, on the other hand, should offer a practical and actionable step forward based on the conclusion. An effective conclusion should: 1. Summarize the main points. Briefly review the key arguments or points raised during the discussion. This is not just repeating what has been said but rather giving a consolidated view of the discussion. 2. Demonstrate understanding. Show that you fully understood the discussion by synthesizing the main points and presenting a well-thought-out viewpoint. 3. Provide closure. Make it clear that the discussion or argument has reached an end. This gives the listener a sense of completion. Effective recommendations should be: 1. Actionable. They should suggest a course of action that can realistically be taken. 2. Relevant. They must be directly related to the discussion or problem at hand. 3. Justifiable. They should be based on evidence or arguments presented during the discussion. Let's look at an example from a debate on environmental policy. The conclusion might be: in conclusion, while economic growth has undeniable benefits, it is clear that we cannot continue on a path that leads to environmental degradation. The discussion has highlighted the urgent need for sustainable practices. And the recommendation could be: based on this, my recommendation would be to implement stricter regulations on industries contributing to pollution and to invest more in renewable energy sources. This example showcases all the qualities we've discussed. The conclusion summarizes the main points, demonstrates understanding, and provides closure. The recommendation is actionable, relevant, and justifiable based on the conclusion. That's all for today's video. We hope this has given you a clear understanding of how to analyze and formulate effective conclusions and recommendations. Remember, these skills are not only important for English language learning, but also for critical thinking and effective communication in general. Keep practicing, and you'll surely master them. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.